weighing over 20 tons and growing to the length of a bus. This is the biggest fish on the planet. The whale shark. Much of their lives are spent deep down. But every year, they gather in a few special places to feed close to the surface. The manta ray. Their wingspan can reach 7 meters. Like whale sharks, they are filter feeders, sieving out microscopic plankton from the water. The Komodo Dragon. The largest and heaviest lizard in the world. These carnivorous reptiles are a type of varanid or monitor lizard. But those on Komodo Island are giants, nearly 5 times bigger than other monitor lizards. The orangutan. The biggest tree-dwelling animal on the planet. Males can weigh almost 100 kilograms and have an arm span of 2 meters. Up to 95% of their lives are spent in the canopy. But they're surprisingly clumsy climbers. Growing to the length of a human arm, these are the longest insects on the planet. The stick insect. The brightly colored female is more than twice as big as the drab-looking male. Her massive body means she can carry around 20 large unfertilized eggs within her abdomen. But this weighs her down. She's too big to fly, so she can't move far. And this makes finding a mate in the vast jungle rather challenging. Luckily, the males are more mobile. His long antennae pick up her scent. Then he climbs and climbs. eventually leaps. The Amur tiger. The biggest cat on Earth. There are less than 600 of these giant felines left in the wild. Weighing up to 250 kilograms, they've been known to kill and even eat grizzly bears. The Amur tiger is twice the size of its tropical cousin, the Malayan tiger. And that comes down to its cold environment. Bigger bodies retain heat better than smaller ones because they can maintain warmth in their core. This principle is known as Bergmann's rule, and it explains why the Amur tiger can survive in one of the coldest places on Earth. The giant panda. Pandas are a species of bear and are 3 times the weight of other Asian bears, like the sun bear. But unlike any of their cousins, they are strict vegetarians. Until around 2 million years ago, pandas were smaller and ate meat, just like other bears. But a random change to their DNA meant they lost their umami taste receptors, the receptors that allow carnivores to taste flesh. And it was around this time that they switched to a purely vegetarian diet, specializing in one type of plant.
Giant pandas are very fussy eaters. 99% of their diet is made out of this stuff, bamboo. And never mind eating it, just trying to break it apart. Look at that. It is very difficult and requires huge amounts of energy.
This new fibrous diet changed the way pandas looked. They developed huge, robust skulls for maximum bite strength. Size for size, the panda's bite is stronger than a polar bear's.